Hello, my name is Brian, and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional and master technician. If you're planning on towing a trailer with your Toyota Tacoma, then you're going to need trailer wiring. It's required by law. Now, let me show you how we complete this install. You'll need to provide the following tools or supplies to complete this installation. So before beginning, lower the tailgate so you can access the taillights. Using a 10mm socket, remove the bolts holding in the taillights. Remove the taillight and disconnect the wires. Now we're ready to install our quick connect module. Pass the 4-flat connector and the passenger side wire through the hole in the bottom of the access panel. Route the passenger side wire to the passenger side, passing it through the frame. The passenger side, there's only one wire for this side. For this install, we'll be using the U-Haul exclusive Power Wire 1. It has built-in OEM resistances and is pre-braided. So we'll be running it from the engine compartment back. Next, we'll install the O-ring terminal to the positive battery cable. We'll do this using a 12mm socket and extension. So now let's cover this now hot lead with the cover and move forward. So using a fishing pole, follow the firewall and the hard metal brake lines. Attach the electrical cable to the fishing pole using electrical tape and pass it back up to the engine compartment. Now insert the power wire. Using zip ties, secure the fuse holder to the battery cable. So now route the power wire rearward using brake lines, electrical lines, and avoiding any hot or moving parts. Now route the power wire up following the same hole that we used for the passenger side wire. Using a self-tapping screw, attach the ground wire to a body panel. Ensure that it's clean and not obstructed. Trim the power wire to length and install the power wire using a butt connector. Using the provided double-sided foam tape, attach the converter box to the body panel, ensuring that the body panel is clean and dry. Now we're ready to reinstall the taillights. Now let's install the wiring bracket. This is not included with the kit, but can be purchased from your local U-Haul or using the link in the description. Use the bracket as a template to mark your 2 mounting holes. Using a 3/32 drill pilot holes for the self-tapping screws. All right, using a 1/4-inch bit holder, install the self-tapping screws and the bracket. Now we'll route the 4-flat wire to the bracket, following the same route we used for the passenger side wire. Don't forget the cap. Keep your wire protected. Seat the connector in the bracket, and then we'll move on to clean up our wires. Finally, we'll install a mini 10-amp fuse into the fuse holder we installed previously. This part is not included in the wiring kit. That concludes your trailer wiring. Remember to practice safe trailering. See you out there. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.